Back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Bittorrent crypto. What's the pricing goes in Bittorrent, what's the high price of Bittorrent, and what is the current status of Bittorrent in the cryptocurrencies markets. In this video I will show you, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news in update about cryptocurrencies markets. So first of all, we look the price predictions of the Bittorrent coin after the last 1 day. What's the price change goes in a Bittorrent and the last 1 day? Absolutely, I like the change occur in the Bittorrent. They are in positive 2.19% change occurs in the last 1 day. That is the last 1 day price predictions, and the change is in positive 2.19%, and the high price is also good, 0.008804 USD dollar is the high price of Bittorrent coin in the last 1 day. And now if you look the current price, so the current price is less, but don't worry, the year goes up. 0.0085 USD dollar is the current price of the Bittorrent coin at this time. Friends, at this time. And if you look the graph, so the graph is a complex structure. The falls down for a little time and again falls down for a little time and again jumping upward. Now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the previous last 4 hour. The last 4 hour price predictions is absolutely a negative, as you can see here, negative 1.21%, and the higher price is 0.0087 USD dollar is the high price of Bittorrent coin in the last 4 hour. If we look the graph, so the graph tail falls down for a little time, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, falls down, and now again they are ready for a jump. So we can't say about the future of the Bittorrent coin. Now let's see the current status of the Bittorrent coin in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, now it this they start jumping upward after a falls. As you can see here, the falls occurs after a falls, they are ready for a jump. Change occur in the Bittorrent in the last 1 hour is positive 0.09%, and the high price of the Bittorrent is $0.00851 USD dollar is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, friends. So according to the price predictions of the Bittorrent, I like this change. My suggestion for all of Bittorrent coin holders that we can't say about the future of Bittorrent because they fall down in a minute and take a jump in a minute. So my suggestion for you to please hold your Bittorrent coin with the last of this month. Maybe they goes upward in the future, maybe they fall down, but a lot of chances as to jumping upward. So my suggestion for you to hold Bittorrent coin. And if you want to buy a Bittorrent coin, so I think it's not the best time. When they start a high explosion, it's the best time for you to buy a Bittorrent coin. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.